Hey guys, welcome back to our exam time, and the content for today's exam will continue on being random vocabularies from random lessons. So please watch all of our videos in order to do well in today's exam. The first question, which one is the hunter of 四? Do you guys remember? A is 言, B 四, C 行, D 比, and 四 is A. Please don't get confused, guys. The Chinese character here is actually comes from two Chinese characters, and I put them separately into one Chinese character, like 言, 四, and here 熊, 猫, and 比 here is 比赛. The next question, which one is the hunter of ni? Is it A, B, C, or D? A, 秦, B, 冰, C, 他, D, 你, and 你 here is D. The next one, which one is the hunter of xiang? Please try to guess first. A, 香, B, 冰, C, 瘦, D, 湿. Xiang here is A. Xiang comes from 冰箱. Shou comes from 寿司, and 师 comes from 老师. Another question here, which one is the hunter of 肉串? You can try to recall first. A is 眉毛, B 耳朵, C 肉串, D 中文. 肉串 here is C. Moving on to the next question. Which one is not the hunter of Mang? This question is a little bit different from our usual question, so please pay attention, guys. A is Mang from 芒果. B is Mang. C is also Mang. D is 面. So the one that isn't the hunter of Mang is D, because D is 面. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hunter of 菊? I'll give you time to think first. A is 想, B 取, C 加, D 去. B is 取 from 娶我吧, and Jia is from 家庭. And the right answer for this question is B. Moving on to another question here. Which one is the Hanzi of pan? I will explain it later. A is pan, B is pan, C is xiao, and D is xiao. And the correct answer for this question is A. And finally, guys, the last question for today. Which one is the Hanzi of Chen? I will give you time to think and guess. A is Chu, B is Che, C is Kuai, D is Chen, and the correct answer is D. And that's all, guys, for today's exam. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and I will see you guys on our next lesson.